Hello everyone, this is my review of this multi-purpose wire dish rag. This rag is porous and it doesn't absorb water, whole water. It's very porous, it's wiry, it's basically for soft scrubbing. It doesn't scratches, it's like non-scratching of a surface, especially if you have non-stick pans that you don't want to scratch the non-stick off of them. You can use this for scrubbing them and keep them clean while scratching them or removing the coating off of there. You can also use it for cleaning other areas that you don't want to scratch it, but you need a good scrub, deep scrub in that area. So I highly recommend this product, and I hope this review helps.